Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm bringing you the Juvia's Festival Palette Collection. So this retails on her website for about $39, and I will leave the link down below, but I'm pretty sure all you guys know where to get this from. So first off the bat, let's talk about the shipping. I didn't have a problem with shipping, but it was longer than expected because she used a different type of shipping method. So it took me about 2 weeks to get this. Other than, you know, usually she just used the regular post office service, and it took about 3 to 4 days to get to me. This one in particular took about 2 weeks. So there wasn't a problem with it, it just took longer than expected. So inside it comes like this. You get your Juvia's Place palette, and you get her liquid lipsticks, which she's got a whole line of liquid lipsticks. And there's nothing special on the box. This is just a regular cardboard box, so if you want to bring it with you, it's pretty sturdy. Not sturdy enough, but it's sturdy. So let's go on ahead, and I think I'm gonna do the lipsticks first, and then we're gonna get into the swatches. Okay, so I've got my powder under here to make sure that I don't get any fallout. So I'm just going to go ahead and go straight into it. I am going to be taking a blending brush. Eyes have already been primed, by the way. And I'm going to go into the color Oro right here. And then I'm going to take that color with this blending brush and blend that color above the crease. And then I noticed when I was doing this eye, I had to keep building it up. So depending on what type of skin tone you are, you will need to keep building this color up. Now that we got that intensity that we want, well, that I want, let me know how it's going for you guys. I'm thinking about changing up some of these videos. Thinking about actually just doing, maybe just doing the look and showing the camera, showing you guys what's going on other than doing these talk throughs. You guys let me know down below how you like the talk throughs, or do you just want me to just, you know, show you what I'm using and just do it. Anyway, I am taking my favorite blending brush by Pat McGrath because this brush by BH Cosmetics was shedding like a mug. I'm gonna go into the color Ofala right here. And then I'm going to take that, put off a little bit, and then I'm going to take that just inside of the crease a little bit above. You see what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to be taking the color right here, Zafa, and I'm going to be taking like a pointed brush. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm going to be taking a pointed brush that looks like that, and then I'm going to be taking a little bit of that red brick color, because that's what it kind of looks like to me, and I'm going to go just above the crease, and I'm going to keep building up that color. Okay, so now that I feel like that I've lost some of that mustard color, which was the color of Oro, I'm going to go back into Oro in a blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that right on top and keep building up the intensity until it matches this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this makeup base, which y'all seen this if y'all been kicking it with me for a while, that this is by Bella Pierre makeup base, and this is what I use to prime my lids sometimes, and as well as cut the crease. So this time I'm just going to do a half cut crease just to put that color into this color. And it's the same technique as usual. You are going to look straight ahead, and I'm just going to cut it right where the pupil is, so that's like right in the middle of the lash line or the eyeball, the face, whatever you want to call it. Now that we have that crease cut, I'm going to be taking this color right here, Abba. Can you guys see it? There we go. This color right here, Abba. And I'm going to be taking a wet, flat brush, which in my case I just used a makeup wipe to dampen it, and I'm going to apply that right where my blank space is, and I am going to tap it on. So when you're done with that, it should look something like this with the crease cut. Now what we're going to do is take that black shimmer color right here called Kilakik or Kaliki, I'm not really sure, and we're going to take a blending brush, and then we're going to place that out here to our outer V, and we are going to gently build up this. I think this is more of like a gunmetal kind of color other than straight up black, and we're going to fade the colors into each other. I'm going to take the color right here, and I think that is pronounced Odagwa, and I'm going to pop that just in the interquarter of my eyeballs, just for a highlight. If I don't mess it up first. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Oraiji, this pink color right here, and I think that's the way you pronounce it. I'm not really sure. This pink color right here. And that's just going to go just up below the lash line. I was going to say below the lash line. This is going to go below the lash line. So before we forget, you want to take this NYX eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, or you use any liquid liner that's black, and I'm just going to go ahead and go across the lash line just to hide the lash band. Okay, so since I always do red color, which is called Soil, which is almost like, I would describe this color as a orangey, more of an orange, like a brick orange, other than a red color. Since I always do that, I'm going to go ahead and do DuDu, which is black in African language. So I'm going to apply this to my lips and give me luck that it comes out straight. Okay, so this is what it turned out like, and it came out very sultry looking. Apparently apparently that must have been in my inner core, but it's very pretty. So this is most definitely a, I'm going to the club and I'm gonna be tricking me some men tonight, girl. Give me that wallet, you don't even know. So anyway, yeah, my lips are still drying. Let me go get the palette and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the Festival palette and it has some very pretty colors in here. I thought this one was going to be more red than what it turned out like, but it's still a doable palette. Just like I said, for this and this is the Festival palette collections, which comes with the color DuDu and Soil for your liquid lip matte. So this comes as a collection and it was, I think it still is, I think it's $39. Just like I said before earlier in the video, the shipping took quite a while, but as you can see, nothing is broken, damaged, or whatever. Somebody came on here and said Juvia's Place was a scam. I don't work with Juvia's Place, so I am a regular consumer just like you. So I don't get this in PR packaging or anything. I don't have a discount code. I don't have a discount anything. So I'm purchasing all this stuff with my own money. So apparently, if I got it in the mail, it's not a scam. I don't know where that came from or if they were just looking for attention. Anyway, if you guys have any comments, make sure you leave them down below. And as promised, next week or maybe later on this week, I will be doing the shimmer, my recipe for my shimmer spray. I had to wait for a few items to show up in the mail and I finally got them. So that's going to be the next video, which will probably be released this Friday. I think I'm just going to give it to y'all because y'all been so patient on waiting for me. And make sure you give me a thumbs up, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell if that ain't too much. And then make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know how you like this look, if you're going to recreate it. And until next time, I will see you in the next video, which will be very soon.